So the question was, how many people are in your family? It shows how many people in our family here in our classroom. So with 3 people in their family, how many people in our classroom have 3 people in their family? Can somebody count how many dots there are? Mia, how many dots do you see?
3.
3. So 3 people have 3 people in their family. If you're one of the people that have 3 people in your family. Anybody else have 3 people in their family? Ben does. I think Maya has her hand raised. Nice. How many, this kind of looks like a lot. How many people have 4 people in their family? Can somebody count really carefully all these stickers? I'll try to move my computer closer so you can see better.
Yeah, what's the answer, Sophia? What's the answer, Sophia?
So let's see. Can Abe answer for us? How many people have 4 people in their
Actually, I was gonna say that my parents are divorced fully, so it used to be 5, but now I think it's 4.
Well, you can still count. My family is divorced too.
Oh.
I still count my family that's divorced.
Oh no!
Live in your
house.
Oh, whoever's not on mute, make sure you're on mute. Just because your family is divorced doesn't mean that they're not a part of your family, okay? So I would say you can count them if you want.
Okay.
Can anybody tell me how many people had 4? At least told me that they had 4. Ooh, Finn, you want to count for me?
Yeah, there's 9.
Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. 9 people have 4 people in their family. That's a lot. How many people have 5 people in their family? How many stickers did I put up? Zoe, how many stickers did I put up?
4.
4. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4 stickers. How many people had 6 in their family? Kylie, can you tell me? Oh, Kylie, you're gonna have to unmute yourself so I can hear you, sweetie. Did you say?
Y'all will leave.
Nice. Which 2 columns didn't have any people? Or which 2 columns, that's not the right question. Which 2 columns didn't have anyone in our class that had that many people in it? Malayla? Do you want to share? Can you unmute yourself and tell us? Okay, maybe Rose would like to share.
2 and 7.
Good, 2 and 7, and then I put a little plus sign next to 7, so that means 7 or more people. So everyone in our classroom as of right now has either 3, 4, 5, or 6 people in our classroom. Now, if I were to ask you the question, how many people have 5 and 6 people in their family? So now I'm asking you to look at 2 columns, 5 and 6. How many people have 5 and 6 family?
I have a big family.
So I'm looking for you to maybe do an equation in your head. Can anybody raise their hand and tell me how many people have 5 and 6 family members?
I have a lot of family members.
Maybe Kyron can tell us. Make sure you unmute yourself, Kyron.
I was 60.
You have a question?
Members.
How many are in 5 and 6?
5.
You're close.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Now you have to count 1, 5, 6, 7,
4.
8. Right, so 4 and 4. If we have to put them together, that would be 8. So sometimes you have to take information on a chart and add it together. Okay? Very good. All right. So for math today, you are going to take a quiz. And in that math quiz, there's going to be 2 questions, okay? Those questions we're going to be using to make a chart like this again tomorrow. So I'm going to continue to share my screen so I can show you what your math work will look like for today. Share it really fast. Okay, so your math work for today. If I click on math on Canvas, there's going to be a Sesame Street, Bert and Ernie adding song. So you should be able to listen to it on Canvas. Then you're going to take this adding quiz. When you click on the adding quiz, it will take you to a new page. You'll have to hit start. And the first 2 questions, how many fingers are in your family? Now, how many fingers does one person have? 10. I see people putting up 10. One person has 10 fingers. So if I'm looking for how many people have, if I have 3 family members, I'm going to have to count by tens. I have 10, my mom has 10, and my dad has 10. That would be 30. Okay? So your first question, you're going to have to count by tens, because everyone has 10 fingers. For your second question, it's how many eyes? How many eyes does one person have? Someone can just unmute themselves and just tell me.
2.
2 eyes. So I'm going to have to count by 2. Unless you have someone that only has 1 eye, or if someone has 3 eyes in your family, maybe we have an outlier. But I think most people only have 2 eyes in their family. So do you have a question?
Yeah, I couldn't understand when you said how many people have 5 and 6 people in the family.
Oh, when I was talking about adding them together?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on 1 second. I'll show you the chart one more time. I'll come back to you in 1 second, okay, Zoe?
Okay.
I'm going to come back to that question. So, and then the rest of the questions on your quiz today are just adding, okay? So today should not be too difficult. You have your first 2 questions about fingers and eyes, and then the rest of your questions are just adding, okay? When you are done, oops. When you are done with your work on Canvas, I need you to complete 2 Dreambox lessons. Now, some of us did not complete our Dreambox lessons yesterday. Just so you know, I can check the website and I can see if you've completed your Dreambox lessons. If you are having problems logging onto Dreambox, then when I put you in your breakout room, then you can call me for help. Okay? Okay. Earlier today for reading, and then I will answer questions. So hold on 1 second to your question. Earlier today, people were having trouble staying in their breakout